Hello everyone, how are you? Today's topic is little unique but it is very well known. Earlier in variety of presentation we learned about numerous poisons, but today we are going to learn about alcohol. It is not less than poison if it exceeds its limit. So let us start today's presentation by knowing the alcohol and its effect. I am Ujwala and welcome to our channel UM-Science. About the alcohol, it is a drug, it is a substance that alters the way the human body works because it possesses variety of effect on our body and then after our body will react accordingly. Here the alcohol is the most commonly used drug in Britain. Not only in Britain, all over the world it increasing in usage. The alcoholic drinks vary in the percentage of alcohol that they contain because we all know there are variety of drinks are there. It may you heard like whiskey, wine, vodka, beer and many more. But today we'll learn what amount of alcohol percentage is there in these all drinks. So let us learn about the beer, cider, wine, vodka and many more. First we'll see about the beer. It is very well known drink and useful and used all over the world. So approximately 5% alcohol is present in this beer. Secondly, it is cider, also known as cider in many of the location and area. It contains nearly similar percentage, 5 to 6% of alcohol in it. Then comes wine. Here it is also known as lady drink. It contains up to 10% of alcohol. Then one more name, that is Buckfast. This drink considerably contains 15% of alcohol, which is much higher than the beer and wine. One more drink known as Smirnoff Ice contains little less amount, approximately 5 to 4% of alcohol. Then comes vodka, is very well known and aware name. If we consider the absolute vodka, where it contains more amount of alcohol, nearly 40%. And similarly in whiskey, it also contains 40% of alcohol. And at the end, it is absinthe, generally contain 70% of alcohol, sometimes higher than that. So it is the one which contains the greatest amount of alcohol. There are also some other names like Absolute Spirit or Spice Spirit. Generally, the spirit group contain 90 to 100% of alcohol, but it is not much useful in a drink area. It is generally for the laboratory and experimental purposes. So this is how the alcohol range started from beer, contain 5% and sometimes more. Then comes champagne, which is also used in variety of occasions, contain 11% of alcohol. Then wine with 50%. If in shake, it is 50 to 16%. In soju, one more drink in the world consists 25 to 30% of alcohol, and comparatively whiskey contain higher amount, that is 40% of alcohol in it. Now about the absorption after intake of the alcohol, how it enters into the body and where it goes. So first, once we consume the alcohol, is absorbed from the stomach and other parts of the gut, and then after it goes forward, it is carried out around the body in the bloodstream. Now, when alcohol reaches the brain first, it affects the brain's activity, and we feel that we are having some kind of alcoholic consumption and we feel little different. Then it often makes a person feel relaxed and inhibited. So this relaxed condition is followed by this brain activity. Then it is again followed by alcohol is slowly broken down into harmless substances by the liver, because liver always tries its best to reduce the effect of alcohol in our body by breaking it down into the non-harming or the harmless product. Then comes the effects on alcohol is gradually wears off, and then it will increase, and then little bit it will downer. The absorption of alcohol also consists the faster you absorb the alcohol, the higher your blood alcohol level will be. It is definitely because if your body is habitual, or maybe it is framed in such a way that it absorbs the alcohol much faster, so obviously the blood alcohol level will be raised faster. Then if the more alcohol in your blood, the greater its effect will be, because if your blood alcohol level is higher, as according to the higher rate, it will greater will be into the effect. So it will shown as per your body characteristic and in your posture that you drunk much higher. Then the absorption is more rapid if there are certain conditions, like if you drink quickly, then also the rate will be higher. Then if add a fizzy mixture, because sometimes we also mix something into the alcohol while drinking. If drink on an empty stomach, it is very obvious that if you do not have or do not contain anything in stomach, so there is nothing to absorb. So alcohol will be readily absorbed in your stomach and show its effect. And the last thing, if you are small, young or female, because of the delicacy of this all person, they will absorb the alcohol faster, because their body masculine may not be able to reduce its effect, and it will overcome all over the body. Now about one more term, that is units of alcohol. We all have heard sometime or maybe many times that 1 unit of alcohol is the quantity that can be broken down in a healthy adult's liver in about 1 hour. So it is about the quantity or one type of rating that within 1 hour what a healthy people or healthy adult can broken the amount of alcohol. So the recommended limit per week for men it is 21, and for women it is 14. So if it exceed, it may lead to the harmful condition. Now about the units present in a pint of tennants, it is up to 2 units. If it is a Bacardi Breezer, it considered as a 1.5 units. In a vodka and a Diet Coke, it considered as a 1 unit. A small glass of wine considered as a 2 units. So these are some rating and some expected areas how we can consider. Now about some negativity, because we all know anything in excess is considered as a poison, and this is nothing else than alcohol. So in the short term, an excess of alcohol in your bloodstream leads to poor reaction time, because it directly affects your nervous system and your brain. Then poorer muscle control and coordination. So you may walk slightly different, because it will seem that if you have drunken little more than your normal limit, it will directly absorb in your gait pattern. Poorer judgment when making decisions, because your brain may be out of your control. Because of that, you may not be able to take some proper decision. Now, long-term abuse of alcohol can have a devastating impact on your health, like hangovers, weight gain, high blood pressure, depressed immune system, cancer sometimes, because it may fail your liver. So the liver diseases and alcohol poisoning. Moreover, heart or respiratory failure, loss of appetite, that means you may not feel hunger or it may be completely lost, and vitamin deficiency and memory loss, because its direct effect is on your brain and nervous system. And the major effect of this alcohol is on our liver. So as you drink much amount of alcohol, the liver will try to fight again and again. But when the amount is exceed and the level is not controllable, then your liver will give up, and then it will start restoration, and then it will damage gradually. So it is very important then we need to level our alcohol consumption level, because it will directly or indirectly going to affect your body. So be safe and do not drink much alcohol if it is harmful to your body. If you have any suggestion, you can write in the comment box. I appreciate your comments and views. Thank you very much. Keep watching, keep supporting.